So it's just a little belt sander, but you can do a lot with this thing. What I was trying to do is making some boot pullers here, and you can tell my bandsaw here, it makes some pretty rough edge cuts along there. Now that's bird's eye maple and not easy. It's very, very hard wood. It comes with two belts. They're both 60 grit. You change the belt, you take this off, and it comes with this little guy here. Once you take this off, over here, on this side you have this little lever. You just push that like that, and then you can take your belt off. So, put the belt back on here. And I'll tighten this back down. Things of operation. This, loosen it up. Now, you push it in. So you see here, there's that little gap. You push it in to turn. Now it locks in this place, and it locks in this place. Right there. So, here's tracking. So watch this. Very nice. And so now the other thing that I'm going to do is I want to round these edges off. Right? I don't want them to scrape the boots up. Let's try that out. Very nice.